Hey you guys, it's affiliate.watch and I'm super pumped up and excited in this video to show you how you can get 10 high quality free proxies that actually work and are super fast, and I personally use them to scrape some web data for my website affiliate.watch. If you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs, and Webshare is actually the best proxy affiliate program you can join. So I'm also going to show you how you can make money in this video as well. And if you don't know what Webshare is, they're one of the biggest proxy companies out there, and they have a free plan where you can get 10 really good proxies that are actually fast and actually work for free. You don't need to put in your credit card. You can try it out and see that it works, and I can assure you that it does work, and that's why I personally use it myself. And they also have a global proxy network with proxy servers in over 40 different countries. And they have residential proxies, they have verified proxies, they have proxy servers, they have static ISP residential proxies, and they also have really good pricing. And they also have an API for developers, so if you want to replace proxies, etc., you can easily do that with their API. And I'm also going to show you how you can get much more than just 10 free proxies if you join their referral program. So if you join the referral program, you can earn 25% credit share to fund your next purchase. So if you refer people to Webshare, you'll actually get credits, and those credits pay out weekly, and the cookie duration is 30 days. And so you can get unlimited proxies as long as you can refer people. And they also have an affiliate program where you can actually earn money, not just credits. So if that's more appealing to you, I highly recommend their affiliate program, which also pays out 25% plus reoccurring commissions, and it pays out via PayPal. The cookie duration is 30 days, and they have weekly payouts. It's super easy to get paid. I haven't got paid yet because I just listed it on affiliate.watch. And all you need to do is just click sign up here in the menu, and it'll bring you into this dashboard. And I just started using it yesterday, and it actually works, and I'm really happy with it. And all you need to do is click proxy list, and it'll pull up your 10 free proxies. I don't want to click it because I don't want to show you guys my password. And they also have a rotating proxy, and you can also monitor your bandwidth statistics, your error statistics, your activity statistics. And if you want to join their affiliate program and start making money, you just click affiliate here in the sidebar, and it'll pull up this page right here, and you can go ahead and just copy your link, and you can start sharing it, and you can start making money. So I think this is a great affiliate program with a lot of potential to make money, as well as a great service and a great way to get 10 free proxies. And I highly recommend it, and I'm really satisfied with it after integrating it into my website affiliate.watch. And if you want to find the best affiliate programs and the best affiliate proxy programs, make sure to check out affiliate.watch. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and thank you for watching.